These are nervous times for all concerned. You just want that first ball to go down.
Two fantastic teams, they really are.
Now people are joining us from all around the world. Welcome, it's great to have you on board.
Promises to be an absolute crackerjack of a game.
The toss will bat first. It's a beautiful day, not as humid as it usually is. There's been enough talking. It's time to play the game of cricket that attracts so many people and has done for so long.
So here's the first ball. Oh, lets it go. Bounces a bit.
Oh, umpire Shepherd having another look to strike him outside the line of off stump. What's your decision at home? That is very, very close. Look, guy's been on the booze, I think. That was closer than that.
Oh, what a stroke that is. Fell quickly into position.
And there's one of them. The outside edge.
Oh, played. Very well played.
Oh, up and over. Up and over.
Oh, there's enough movement there too. Great stroke. They're asked. Tell you what, that isn't so far away either. Straught.
That'll be four. Inside edge, and away she goes.
He likes the drive. Shot. Beautiful shot.
That's well played, very well struck.
Played. What beautiful stroke. Beautifully bowled. One in, one out. A bit of everything at a good pace.
Uh-oh. Well, he's really enjoying himself. What a hit that is.
That's out.
Oh, he's dropped it. He dropped it. I don't believe it. That's unbelievable. He was throwing it up. He thought he had it. It was a little lollipop.
Good delivery. We will just plug away outside off stump and hope to get a little bit of response from this, now his home pitch.
We don't need the umpire for that, boy, and that's a cracker of a swing ball.
Yes, yes, yes. We showed you where he goes at the death.
And there's no better feeling for a bowler than hitting the stumps.
Got to. And what a stroke. That'll go for four.
Oh, what a catch! That is absolutely brilliant.
Flying through the air, plucks that out. Unbelievable.
Well, this had boundary written all over it. That sounded nice. Flipped away.
And what a stroke. That'll go for four.
It's just short of a length, and it gets the treatment.
Gone! 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 Has he? Oh, he dropped it. What an effort. He had it.
Has that been caught? It has. What a grab that is. Desperately needed that.
Hey, what beautiful stroke.
Oh, if there's no inside edge, it must be close.
Oh, that'll be six. It's flat, it's into the ground.
Mile in the air.
Chipped over mid-wicket. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Who would be a bowler?
Oh, flicked, leg side.
What a stroke.
Oh, he's nailed that. Back of the length, pulled into the leg side.
And again, up and over. Take the aerial route.
Oh, he's dropped it. I can't believe it. What is going on?
It's four. Oh, goodness! Look at the look on his face. Taking the wild thing and sent it possibly onto the roof. It's on the roof. He's just, well, that's what I do. It was on.
Oh, easy as you like.
Oh, no, it's safe. And there'll be a few there. Oh.
cheer tells you everything.
That'll do nicely to finish it. You can keep the ball in the crowd. We don't want it back. Fabulous game of hitting high class from both teams.